Hey guys, hope you're doing good today. Got a little project we're going to be working on. I'm going to show you how to make one of these. As I showed you before, it's just a little clamp by any hardware store, and you can clamp it on anywhere for a nice little DIY camera mount. Clip it anywhere, boat, on your T-top, on your boat, anywhere. So I'm going to take one of these, just one like this, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these. So stay tuned, we're going to get started. Okay, the tools needed for this project is going to be one clamp of your choice, whatever kind you want. I just got this plastic one here. It works great. You can pick them up for a couple bucks. Need one drill bit. This is a 9 by 32 drill bit. Need one of these that goes on your just regular tripod. One of these. You need two nuts. For one to put it on there, and then one to tighten it down so it won't come loose. And this is it's got a 3/4 inches of thread here, as far as length, to give it enough length so you can get both of these nuts on there to tighten everything up, and to get this on there. So you need one. This is a quarter inch by 20, but the bolt itself needs to have at least a 3/4 inches right here, for it to, like I said, you have enough to bolt onto to put both of the nuts on. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is drill a hole. So let's get your drill. You want to put it right here on the top. Okay. What I'm going to have to do now is take and break those little pieces right there out a little bit. It's down in there. Make that right screw sit right down in there nice and flush. So now if you got a visual of that right there, you can see that it's nice and flush compared to this side, like that. So I got my bolt down there. I've cleaned all the little plastic pieces out and put my nut on there. I'm going to tighten it down, this top one. Not too tight, but tight enough where it ain't going to come off. Just snug. And you want to take your other one, put it on here, and so you're left with about a quarter inch of threads there, maybe. So your tripod mount for your GoPro will screw right on there. Get that good and tight, and then if you want to, you can tighten these right here down, or this right here will be tight onto your tripod mount. But I'm not going to do that right now, but that's all there is to it, guys. That's it right there. That's it right there. That's all there is to it. You got your nice little clamp GoPro mount, and the way I do it, stick it right on there, and there you go. Mount it on the side, You know, you can mount it absolutely anywhere. Y'all take care and tight lines.